What would you say to those who are considering compliance help for their ISO help?
I would not hesitate to tell people that it's a good choice, that they'll help you get to where you want to go. And I thought it was a fair price, and and certainly thorough. And we learned a lot in the process and made us a better company. So yeah, I would highly recommend Compliance Help. We are a small custom manufacturing company. Um, we have we specialize in CNC machining and welding and metal fabrication. Primarily, we're making components and weldments for the semiconductor industry and uh, pharmaceutical industry. I had Googled, just searched out companies who provided that service. And we're a small company, and we were going to need help to put together a quality manual and kind of walk us through the process of being prepared to be certified. It was the only way we would have gotten to that level, to that point. We couldn't have done it on our own.
Would you recommend compliance help?
Yes, without hesitation. It was a good fit. Uh, good good people that we worked with, who understood what we're trying to do. Seemed to, if they didn't understand every detail of our business, they sure had an understanding of the manufacturing process, and and was helpful in getting us to where we had to be. So absolutely.